Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn with Rupa. As I told you, I came back with today's news stories. And let us follow the best way for improving English vocabulary, and that is learning vocabulary from daily news. Today's first news story is a 25-year-old woman was sexually assaulted by two doctors when she visited their clinic for a checkup. This incident took place on Friday in UP. In this news, the word assault means to attack someone violently. Synonyms for the word assault are hit, strike, physical attack, etc. Today's second news story is German police and firefighters are clearing a section of Frankfurt around the convention center to defuse a World War II era bomb that was discovered during recent construction work. In this news, the word diffuse means to prevent a bomb from exploding. Synonyms for the word diffuse are deactivate, disable or make safe, etc. Today's final news story is, according to a top WHO expert, the coronavirus disease has not exploded in India, but the risk of that happening remains as the country moves towards unblocking its nationwide lockdown that was imposed in March to contain the COVID-19. In this news, the word explode means increase quickly. Synonyms for the word explode are blast, breakout, burst, etc. That's all about today's news stories. Hope you are all following this strategy to improve your vocabulary. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Let's learn with Rupa. See you tomorrow, and I'll come back with tomorrow's news stories.